Okay, folks, we're working on a Jeep Compass, and man, she is messed up. Yay! Goes all the way into this door. So he wanted me to fix his car 2 weeks ago. I was here 2 weeks ago, and he couldn't find the car. And we went out and looked at 2 or 3, and no, that ain't it. The reason he couldn't find the car is he thought it was black. It was probably here all the time. we walked around looking for a black one. So I left, I'm back today, and he asked me about it again. And so I walked out to where they keep the compasses at, and I found it. He still thinks it's black. And I said, well, at least you got a black one. I didn't see a black one, but I saw this gray one. And it's tore all to pieces, and the stock number matches up to what he was thinking. So I think it was a gray one all along myself. I hope there ain't another one out here like this. But anyway, let's see if we can fix it. I'll get back with you. Okay, I sanded everything down. They feel pretty smooth. Down there, I feel a little bit right there. But I think we can get most of it out. Maybe all of it. We'll shoot for all of it. And then, of course, he comes up on this black one. I think, here we go. This is the black one he's looking for, but it's this piece right here. So, yes, I'm not going to be doing anything with that dent, but he wants me to try to fix that. So there you go. I've already done 3. It's turned out to be a right decent little day. I'll get you an after video when I get done. Okay, folks, I got those scratches out. All down up through here. Wind blowing like crazy. And I didn't try to get that one out. It's too deep. I'll put some paint in it. You can see just a faint shadow of it right through here and right through here. Can you see that? See, this is very soft plastic. It gives right here, and it's contoured on top of that. So I didn't want to push my luck. I got 85–90% of that out. Got all this out. Got all this out. Little shadow of a scratch here. You can't. In fact, right here, I can't even see it. So I'm happy with that. He should be happy with that. He will be happy with that. So it's gonna be a good little payday. There's a few little scratches on that fender I got to get. That's the reason I left the generator running. So I'm going to go ahead and knock those out right quick. They're easy. And then I'll go here and work on the black one right there. So there you have it. Another satisfied customer.